Should mail-order abortion drugs be legal? Senators debated that question on Capitol Hill today in a Health Committee hearing. The discussion comes against the backdrop of a larger debate among regulators and medical experts regarding the safety of these drugs approved by the Food and Drug Administration. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us with the latest. Erik.
Great to see you, Veronica. Right now, legal challenges are taking place across the country from pro-life groups about these abortion pills being distributed by mail. Recent data shows that these drugs may cause major serious complications in nearly 11% of pregnant women who use it. Now, pro-life lawmakers like Senator Bill Cassidy of Louisiana, who is a medical doctor, wants the FDA to immediately suspend mifepristone in all of its generic forms, as the FDA conducts its own evaluation of the risks. At the very least, Senator Cassidy tells me that he wants women to be required to see a doctor in person before using any of these drugs.
It was stopped under the Biden administration. Ideally, this administration would restart it. That's important because there's some women at higher risk for complications for whatever reason, and the doctor interviewing her would be able to see that. Dr. Ubenhorst, is that standard of care? No human contact to prescribe a medication like this?
I would say it's irresponsible. For example, if I had a pregnant woman who came in with a bladder infection and I just talked to her on the phone and prescribed an antibiotic, that would be malpractice.
Prior to the hearing, I spoke with Louisiana's Attorney General, one of the witnesses. She says part of the problem, anyone can get on the internet and order these pills, no questions asked.
It's dangerous, it's illegal, and it's medically unethical, and I cannot think of a single situation that's comparable. This is not health care. These are not medical professionals. They are activists, and it's dangerous to women.
She is now pushing to extradite doctors from California and New York for mailing abortion pills. Democrats claim the hearing is not about safety of mifepristone or women who use it.
It is about the ongoing effort of my friends in the Republican Party to deny the women of this country the basic right to control their own bodies.
Over the past 25 years, medication abortion using mifepristone and misoprostol has been rigorously studied and proven safe and effective in over 100 high-quality peer-reviewed studies.
Studies show over 60% of abortions are from mail-order pills. Other Democrats flooded social media today questioning the motive of the hearing.
It's not because they care about women's health. It is because medication abortion using mifepristone is the most common method of abortion in the U.S. And Trump and his anti-abortion allies want to ban abortion nationwide.
Some claim the Trump-Vance administration isn't doing enough to protect life. They highlight that the FDA's recent approval of the new generic form of the drug mifepristone, and just last week, President Trump asked Republican lawmakers to be more flexible about the Hyde Amendment during negotiations over extending Obamacare subsidies. By the way, the Hyde Amendment is a long-standing provision that bans federal funds for abortions, and we as Catholics know that the U.S. bishops remain steadfast in its position that abortion is grave moral evil. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.